Hello everyone, welcome to 9m classes. My name is Sukanya and today we are going to see the major confused words can and may. Okay, so first we can see the meaning. Okay, ability or possibility, while may also have the same meaning, that is ability and possibility. Okay, what the major difference here is, we use may on a more formal situation. Okay, so the one which is very familiar and which can be relatable example will be, ma'am, can I go to washroom? Okay, so for the teacher as well it will be like, okay, I don't know, you can or you cannot. Okay, so here the can word shows the ability, okay, like can go or not, while the actual words there could be may. Okay, ma'am, may I go to washroom? Okay, so here it shows the kind of request on a formal basis. Okay, or the major difference out here is, can is the metal container, while may is the 5th month of the year. Okay, so like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries, any questions or any recommendations, do let me know.